Students, welcome to Banikai Smart Class. This OCS main examination 2009 is going to be held very soon. First of all, I'll congratulate you all for clearing the preliminary examination and qualifying for the main. The main examination is a very long type answer writing session where you are to excel in your writing. In the preliminary, you have read the entire concept. Some additional informations you have to add in the GS paper and also add optionals, the compulsory paper and the English essay paper. Here at Banika IS, we have a special program for this main preparation. Unfortunately, because of this ongoing COVID-19 pandemic, we are unable to arrange the classes over here, which was very popular for the previous batches of students, and so many of our students came out as toppers and anchors in the previous examinations. But keeping the students' interest in view, we have decided to launch the online class, and in this online class, our program is the entire syllabus of this examination will be covered through classes by our experts. Each section in paper 1, 5 sections in paper 1 and 5 sections in paper 2, all will be covered by senior experienced faculty of Banika IS, and the questions answer discussion session will be followed in each class, and the faculty will guide you how to write answer to specific questions that are important from that particular topic in the section. Apart from this, so we will have exam oriented updated materials. Each and every sections we have updated the materials in the long question answer format, which will be very useful for you. And apart from the question answer materials, so we have also provision for online test. Sitting at the comfort of your home, we have designed our system in which you can write your answer at your home, scan it, mail it, and we will verify it online and send the feedback to you along with the corrected answer sheet. That will be very useful because the main examination, what matters more is your writing standard, and the way you are excelling in your writing, that will ultimately improve your ranks in the examination and you will get a call for the viva. So feedback will be given in each test for improvements, and what else you can add your answer. Each and every questions you will get a feedback on your answer and what steps are needed to improve the score in that particular question. Apart from this, we will have a series of BST in GS paper 1 and paper 2. So that will be same as the examination will be sitting in the OCS main exam hall. 3 hours, 300 marks questions in GS, that compulsory papers, English essay. So it is like the experience of the examination hall, where sitting at the comfortable home because of this ongoing pandemic, you can write the BST, the specified time limits, you will get the question online, write the answer there, scan the copies, send it to us, we will correct it online and send it to you. Apart from the GS and compulsory papers, we have the provision for optionals. We have some selected optionals like political science, public administration, geography, sociology, home science, Odia literature, in which we will have section-wise test as well as BST, and those questions will be set by our experienced faculties, the respective subjects, and they will evaluate your sheets that will come to us online, and they will give the improvement tips in your answer that are needed to score better marks. Along with this, you will get a complete updated information on Odisha, because as you know, this examination in the GS paper, there is Odisha section on history, geography, constitution and economy, along with the current development on Odisha. We will get a separate booklet on Odisha in the most updated format, as well as each question sections will have Odisha portions in the questions and special classes on Odisha. So this is what we have planned for you to ensure that you are not facing any difficulty in your preparation because of this ongoing pandemic where you are locked down at your home. Hope our program is so well designed for you to make you confident for examination and will definitely not put you in any difficulty. So hope our program will be much useful for you for this coming examination. And myself, Pramod Pahadi, the head of Burning IAS, assures you that our support will continue till the examination. Although OPSC has given the tentative date in September, so you prepare for September, but the ongoing situation may give you some more time, and that will go as a benefit to you. But keep September as the deadline, prepare accordingly. Go on writing, send your copies through your mail on our respected sites, and your copy will be updated, evaluated, feedback given to ensure that you are doing well in the examination and ultimately you are able to fulfill your ultimate dream. Thank you.